Frequent nighttime urination, known medically as nocturia, is one of the most frustrating issues for men and women over 65. You lie down at night hoping for restful sleep, only to find yourself waking up 2, 3, sometimes 4 times to use the bathroom. Interrupted sleep leads to daytime fatigue, irritability, and even a higher risk of falls and cognitive decline in seniors. For many, it is a sign of an enlarged prostate, also called benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH, which can reduce urinary flow and cause incomplete bladder emptying, leading to those constant nighttime trips to the bathroom. But what if certain foods could naturally help reduce the frequency of nighttime urination and improve urinary flow, giving you a better night's sleep without dependency on medications? Today, you will learn exactly which top 3 foods, supported by current science, can help eliminate frequent nighttime urination naturally, especially for those over 65. This guide will explain how each food works in the body, the nutrients and compounds responsible for its benefits, and practical guidance on how to incorporate them into your diet safely and effectively. These foods are not only beneficial for bladder and prostate health, but also support your overall vitality as you age. If you care about living independently, maintaining your dignity, and reducing those frustrating nighttime interruptions, stay with this video until the end. You will learn practical, evidence-based solutions that you can begin using immediately to support your prostate, your bladder, and your sleep quality. And if you find this guide valuable, remember to subscribe for more detailed, science-backed health information for men and women over 65, and share your experience in the comments below so others in our community can benefit from your insights. Let's begin with the first food that has shown clear benefits in supporting prostate health, reducing inflammation, and improving urinary flow in seniors. This food is pumpkin seeds, which are also known as pepitas. Pumpkin seeds are one of the richest natural sources of zinc, a mineral crucial for prostate health, and they also provide phytosterols, which are plant-based compounds shown to help reduce the size of an enlarged prostate over time. How do pumpkin seeds help the prostate specifically? Studies have shown that zinc plays a central role in regulating the growth and function of the prostate gland. Men with BPH often have lower levels of zinc in their prostate tissue compared to those with healthy prostates. Zinc helps to modulate the activity of the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, which is responsible for converting testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, or DHT. High levels of DHT are associated with the enlargement of the prostate, leading to symptoms such as urinary hesitancy, weak stream, and increased frequency of urination, particularly at night. Phytosterols in pumpkin seeds, such as beta-cytosterol, are another reason this food is effective for urinary health. Research has shown that beta-cytosterol can help improve urinary flow and reduce the amount of urine left in the bladder after urination. This is critical because incomplete bladder emptying is one of the main reasons seniors wake up repeatedly at night to urinate. What is the right dosage for pumpkin seeds in men over 65? Most studies suggest consuming about 1 to 2 ounces of raw or roasted pumpkin seeds daily, which is roughly a small handful. This amount provides a beneficial level of zinc and phytosterols without adding excessive calories to your diet. It is also important to consume the seeds without excessive added salt, as high sodium intake can increase blood pressure and worsen urinary issues. For those who prefer to use pumpkin seed oil, research has shown that taking about 1,000 milligrams per day can also help reduce nocturia and improve urinary patterns in men with BPH. The oil contains concentrated phytosterols and essential fatty acids that reduce inflammation and support the health of the bladder and prostate tissues. The impact of pumpkin seeds and pumpkin seed oil on urinary flow and BPH has been documented in several clinical trials. In one study, men taking pumpkin seed extract reported a significant reduction in nighttime urination frequency and an improvement in their quality of life after just 3 months of consistent use. The improvement in urinary patterns is believed to be due to the anti-inflammatory and anti-androgenic effects of the compounds within pumpkin seeds, which help reduce prostate swelling and improve bladder function. When it comes to the form, whole pumpkin seeds are beneficial, but the oil can provide a more concentrated dose of the active compounds, making it an excellent option for those who prefer not to consume seeds daily. However, seeds provide additional fiber, magnesium, and other micronutrients beneficial for seniors, making them a well-rounded choice for daily snacking. It is important to note that while pumpkin seeds can support urinary health, they work best as part of a comprehensive diet that limits inflammatory foods such as processed meats and refined sugars. By adding pumpkin seeds to your diet, you can take a proactive step toward reducing the frequency of nighttime urination, improving urinary flow, and supporting your prostate health naturally. Now that we have covered pumpkin seeds and their role in managing nocturia and supporting prostate health, let's move on to the second food, which is pomegranate. Pomegranate is a nutrient-dense fruit known for its antioxidant content, and it has been studied for its effects on prostate health and urinary symptoms in aging men. Pomegranate contains high levels of polyphenol, particularly punicalagins and ellagic acid, which have strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. How does pomegranate specifically help with prostate health and frequent nighttime urination? The antioxidants in pomegranate help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation within the prostate gland. Chronic inflammation is a significant contributor to the progression of BPH, and by reducing this inflammation, pomegranate can help slow the growth of the prostate and improve urinary function. In addition to its antioxidant effects, pomegranate has been shown to inhibit the activity of aromatase, an enzyme that converts testosterone into estrogen. Elevated estrogen levels in men are associated with an increased risk of BPH, and by reducing aromatase activity, pomegranate helps maintain a healthier hormonal balance, which can be beneficial for prostate health. Regarding dosage, drinking 8 ounces of 100% pomegranate juice daily has been shown in studies to help lower PSA levels, a marker of prostate inflammation, and to improve urinary symptoms in men with BPH. For those who prefer to consume the whole fruit, eating 1 small pomegranate per day can also provide the necessary polyphenol and fiber beneficial for gut health and overall vitality. In one clinical study, men with prostate issues who consumed pomegranate juice daily reported a significant reduction in symptoms such as nighttime urination frequency and urinary urgency over a 12-month period. The improvement is attributed to the reduction in oxidative stress markers and inflammation, which are major contributors to prostate enlargement and urinary difficulties. When comparing pomegranate juice to pomegranate extract supplements, the juice provides hydration and a natural form of polyphenol, while extracts offer a more concentrated dose in a smaller volume. However, the juice also contains natural sugars, which should be considered for those managing blood sugar levels. Choosing a juice with no added sugars and consuming it in moderation can help balance the benefits without negatively impacting glucose levels. Pomegranate's role in supporting urinary flow and reducing nocturia is an example of how targeted nutrition can address the root causes of prostate-related urinary symptoms rather than merely masking them. By incorporating pomegranate into your daily diet, you are providing your body with powerful antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation, support hormonal balance, and improve the health of your urinary system. As we continue this guide, it is essential to remember that these nutritional strategies work best when combined with lifestyle measures such as staying hydrated during the day while limiting excessive fluid intake in the evening, engaging in regular physical activity to improve circulation, and maintaining a healthy weight to reduce pressure on the bladder and prostate. Now let's move on to the third food that can help eliminate frequent nighttime urination, especially for men and women over 65. This food is tomatoes, particularly cooked tomatoes, which are rich in the powerful antioxidant lycopene. Lycopene is a carotenoid that gives tomatoes their red color and has been extensively studied for its benefits in prostate health and reducing the symptoms of BPH. Lycopene in tomatoes is well known for its role in supporting prostate health, and studies have shown that higher blood levels of lycopene are associated with a lower risk of developing benign prostatic hyperplasia and prostate cancer. But how exactly does lycopene help with urinary flow and nighttime urination in men over 65? Lycopene is a potent antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress in prostate tissues, which can help slow down the progression of prostate enlargement. Oxidative stress contributes to chronic inflammation, which in turn can cause the prostate to grow and press against the urethra, leading to urinary hesitancy, incomplete bladder emptying, and the frequent urge to urinate at night. By reducing this inflammation, lycopene helps relieve pressure on the urinary tract, allowing for a stronger urinary stream and a lower likelihood of waking up multiple times at night. Research has also shown that lycopene can inhibit the activity of insulin-like growth factor, which is involved in prostate tissue growth. In one clinical study, men with BPH who took lycopene supplements daily experienced a significant reduction in prostate size and improvement in urinary symptoms over a 6-month period. This suggests that consistent intake of lycopene can play a preventive and supportive role in managing BPH-related urinary symptoms naturally. Regarding dosage, the study suggests that consuming at least 10 to 15 milligrams of lycopene per day can be beneficial for prostate health. Cooked tomato products such as tomato sauce, tomato paste, and even tomato juice are particularly effective sources because the cooking process increases the bioavailability of lycopene, allowing your body to absorb it more efficiently compared to raw tomatoes. For example, half a cup of tomato sauce can provide approximately 20 milligrams of lycopene, making it an easy and practical way to reach the beneficial dosage through food alone. It is also worth noting that consuming tomatoes with a healthy fat source, such as olive oil, can further enhance the absorption of lycopene in the digestive tract. This means adding a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil to your tomato-based dishes not only improves the flavor but also increases the health benefits for your prostate and urinary system. Tomatoes also provide additional nutrients, including vitamin C, potassium, and folate, which support cardiovascular health and overall wellness, both of which are essential for seniors aiming to maintain independence and energy. By incorporating cooked tomato products into your meals several times per week, you can naturally support prostate health and reduce nighttime urination while also benefiting from the broad spectrum of nutrients that tomatoes offer. By now, you have learned about the top 3 best foods to help eliminate frequent nighttime urination after 65, pumpkin seeds for their zinc and phytosterols, pomegranate for its powerful polyphenol and hormonal balancing effects, and tomatoes for their high lycopene content and anti-inflammatory properties. These foods work synergistically to reduce inflammation, support hormonal balance, and improve urinary flow, addressing the root causes of nocturia rather than just masking the symptoms. However, it is important to understand that these foods are most effective when paired with a balanced diet and lifestyle practices that support urinary health. Drinking adequate fluids during the day helps maintain bladder elasticity and function, but it is wise to reduce fluid intake about 2 hours before bedtime to minimize nighttime trips to the bathroom. Limiting caffeine and alcohol intake, especially in the evening, can also help reduce bladder irritation and the urge to urinate frequently at night. Regular physical activity, even light daily walking, can improve circulation to the pelvic area, support hormonal balance, and aid in weight management, all of which contribute to reducing prostate-related urinary symptoms. Maintaining a healthy weight is crucial because excess body fat can increase inflammation in the body and raise estrogen levels, both of which can worsen prostate enlargement and bladder function. Pelvic floor exercises, commonly known as Kegel exercises, can also be beneficial in managing urinary urgency and incontinence. Strengthening the muscles that control urination can help you gain better control over your bladder, reducing the likelihood of accidental leakage and the sudden urge to rush to the bathroom during the night. It is also advisable to avoid foods that may irritate the bladder, such as spicy foods, artificial sweeteners, and highly processed foods high in sodium and unhealthy fats. By replacing these with nutrient-dense options like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, you can support your urinary health and overall wellness as you age. Sleep hygiene is another critical aspect of managing nighttime urination. Going to bed at a consistent time each night, maintaining a cool and dark sleep environment, and engaging in a relaxing pre-sleep routine can improve your sleep quality, making it easier to fall back asleep even if you do need to wake up to use the bathroom once during the night. Incorporating the top 3 foods into your diet is a proactive step toward reducing nighttime urination and improving your quality of life. Pumpkin seeds can be easily added to your morning oatmeal or eaten as a snack, pomegranate juice can be consumed with breakfast, and tomato-based sauces can be included in your lunch or dinner meals. These simple dietary adjustments can have a significant impact on your urinary health, sleep quality, and daily energy levels, allowing you to maintain your independence and enjoy your days without the constant worry of disrupted sleep. While these nutritional strategies are effective, it is important to consult with your healthcare provider if you experience severe urinary symptoms, sudden changes in urinary patterns, or blood in your urine. These could indicate underlying medical conditions that require prompt attention beyond dietary management. By focusing on evidence-based natural strategies, you empower yourself to take charge of your health, reducing reliance on medications when possible and addressing the root causes of nocturia and prostate-related urinary symptoms. In the final section of this guide, we will recap the key takeaways and remind you of the practical steps you can begin implementing today to support your prostate health and reduce frequent nighttime urination naturally and effectively. As we bring this definitive guide to a close, it is important to recap what you have learned so you can apply these science-backed steps starting today to reduce frequent nighttime urination naturally. You have learned that frequent nighttime urination, or nocturia, is often linked to prostate health challenges in men over 65, including an enlarged prostate, known as benign prostatic hyperplasia, and reduced urinary flow. Interrupted sleep from waking multiple times at night not only affects your energy during the day but can increase your risk of falls, cognitive decline, and mood challenges. While many rely on medication to manage these symptoms, targeted nutrition can address the root causes and support the health of your prostate and bladder, giving you a practical, natural path to fewer nighttime interruptions. The first food covered was pumpkin seeds, which are rich in zinc and phytosterols. These compounds have been shown to help regulate the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, reduce DHT levels in the body, and decrease prostate inflammation. By consuming 1 to 2 ounces of raw or roasted pumpkin seeds daily or taking pumpkin seed oil, you can improve urinary flow, reduce incomplete bladder emptying, and decrease the frequency of nighttime bathroom trips. The second food was pomegranate, known for its high content of polyphenols such as punicalagins and ellagic acid. These antioxidants help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the prostate, support hormonal balance by lowering aromatase activity, and improve urinary symptoms. Drinking 8 ounces of 100% pomegranate juice or consuming a small pomegranate daily can help lower PSA levels and support urinary health, helping you wake up less often at night. The third food discussed was tomatoes, especially cooked tomato products, which are rich in lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that reduces oxidative stress and inflammation in prostate tissues, helping to slow prostate enlargement and improve urinary flow. Consuming cooked tomatoes with healthy fats like olive oil can enhance lycopene absorption and maximize its benefits for prostate health. Including half a cup of tomato sauce or a similar portion of cooked tomatoes several times per week can contribute to reducing the symptoms of BPH and Nocturia. These foods work best when incorporated into a lifestyle that supports urinary health. It is important to stay hydrated during the day but limit fluid intake in the evening, avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol, maintain a healthy weight, and engage in regular physical activity to improve circulation and reduce inflammation in the body. Incorporating pelvic floor exercises can strengthen your bladder control, while practicing good sleep hygiene can improve your ability to fall back asleep if you do need to wake up once during the night. Remember that these nutritional strategies are not quick fixes, but consistent daily habits that help reduce inflammation, improve urinary flow, and address the underlying causes of frequent nighttime urination naturally. If your symptoms are severe, sudden, or accompanied by pain or blood in your urine, it is essential to consult your healthcare provider to rule out other medical conditions that may require immediate care. By making these dietary changes, you are taking a proactive role in managing your health, reducing your dependence on medications where appropriate, and improving your quality of life. Better sleep leads to better days, clearer thinking, more energy for your family, and greater independence as you age. If you found this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to this channel so you never miss detailed, evidence-based health guides designed specifically for your stage of life. Your health is your most valuable asset, and we are here to support you in taking charge of it with the best that science and nutrition have to offer. We would also love to hear from you. Have you tried any of these foods to help reduce nighttime urination? Do you have your own tips for improving sleep and supporting prostate health naturally? Share your experience in the comments below so others in our community can benefit from your insights and learn from your journey. And if this video helped you, please give it a like so it can reach others who are looking for practical, natural ways to improve their urinary health and reclaim restful nights. Together, we can build a community focused on evidence-based wellness, independence, and vitality at every stage of life. Thank you for watching, and take care of your health today so you can enjoy a brighter, more energetic tomorrow.